Okay, dear scheduling team, do you remember the meeting that we had with Zvika too about your requirement to change the allocations at roles? So, when system is receiving goods or while running MRP, system automatically allocates to the role, but you need to review the roles information to be used at the same production. So you wanted to do it manually according to the roles information that inspection had inputted, correct? Okay. And then we studied on an Excel sheet for a screen that will let you select the roles to use on this specific production, correct? Okay. Now, we did our homework, developed a new screen for you to change the role that you want to use in the production. Okay? Let's start with the business logic. Uh, do you know how to use the system?
كم واحد يا جماعه كده عمال بيركز على نسخه التيست؟ هو كم واحد عملها؟ احنا كنا ما بنفهمش عن طب استاذنكم كله لازم تيست دي حاجه هو انتوا اللينك اللي انتوا بعتوه لنا النهارده ما اشتغلش او شغال ما فيش القوائم اللي موجوده. لا القوائم دي انت بتحطها يعني انت بتختار هي دي المتفايد بوتنز. بص يستر شايف المنيو اللي على الشمال دي يا جماعه؟ فاهم قصدي ايه؟ بنسرش عليها وبتختار الزراير اللي انت عاوزها تحطها. يوم اللي بعد اذنك عاوزين نعمل لهم دوكيمنت كده زي اختزارات. بص يا جماعه انا بشتغل على اللينك بتاعك ما لقوش زراير مش هشتغل صفر ونوع يا جماعه هنبعت لكم يا جماعه اشاره ازاي تجيب زراير we send them document how to add it way working okay يومنا please add يومنا اللي عندك دي
Okay, when you have a question, dear team, when you have a question, when you cannot find something, immediately contact with the project team because
they call me back for use in the meeting.
Okay. Okay. So we worked for the production time and action a lot. And for going live with allocations at stock and MRP, now we are cleaning data in the system. I just want to show you the view that you will have when you go to live, because it is not only one screen that you will be working, okay? When a sales order is created by the sales order team, system automatically creates a production order. Okay. And material planning team runs MRP for these production orders. They can consolidate. Let's say that VMB has 50 orders to be produced. Same style or different style. Same date or different dates. APO or not. Regardless. Material planning team will select the orders to run MRP, and they will run MRP. You have access to production view. In the system, I will go home page again and load it again for you, but in the system, when a sales order is confirmed by sales order team, system kicks off huge number of actions to different teams to send this order to the customer on time. Okay? I don't know why it is displaying a very limited data. Here, I prepared data for this training. Let's say that Altın Yıldız has 3 orders. And according to this X factory, these orders must be produced and sent to customer on 17, thank you very much, on 17 December, okay? Customer wants this order to be shipped on 17 December. As soon as sales order team creates the order, system calculates all tasks, all teams, and instructs you with your tasks. Okay? So you see the planned dates here.
So the plan will be automatic,
Yes?
not from planning.
No.
It's based on expected.
Yes. Material planning team. Let's say that customer wanted this to be shipped on 17 December. Okay? Oh, according to the calculated date, production, here do you see? Production must start at 1st of December, correct? Oh, but okay, there is already a planned production on this date. The line is full. So, according to our new module, Advanced Planning, they will have the ability to plan the production according to the line capacity. Okay? So, they may say that, okay, I will need to produce it 5 days earlier, so the line feeding date must be 25 November. Because my line,
The line full capacity.
yes, I can produce this at this date and take it to the finished product warehouse and wait it. Or maybe not wait, direct the ship, I don't know. But they will do this planning. When they update the line feeding date, all related actions will be recalculated. At the end of the day,
It will be manual.
huh?
It will be manual. The system make a plan automatically. If you have any inquiry, I can replan it.
Replan it for the line feeding date, and the other actions will be automatically calculated again. Okay? So, let's say that, how will you follow up? What to allocate? When you will do this cutting or marker or whatever. You see, you have actions in the system. Scheduling. You have 1, 2, 3, activities, tasks in the production time and action. The first thing is to finalize roles, okay? The second is the marker schedule activity. And the third activity is to be sure that cutting is done for this production. Okay? There will be a change for this. These two activities will be moved before cutting. Fine tuning, okay. But you see that we have at the moment 1,472 production orders in the system. Thousands of roles. How will you want to do what? This next task shows which team's turn to work now. See, this is at fireflow, this is at marker schedule, these are waiting for capacity booking. This means that planning team will plan the start date as the first action of this production, okay? And all rest will be recalculated. Let's say that I am the material planner and I planned the production and completed my activity. Okay, I say to the system that I planned production for this date. Now, next task can be done. What is the next task? Just a second, sorry. Customer final approval. Customer, do you see? When capacity booking task is completed by master planning team, now sales team has their task. This is per customer, by the way. System knows. Customer final approves the samples. Yes, I want this quantity with this fabric, with this button, with this pattern, with blah, 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 blah. Okay. When it is completed, then BOM team will validate everything and log the BOM page of this production because system knows which BOM to use for this production. And pattern team will validate the BOM and the page will be logged. And then MRP team, material planning team, will run MRP. System will calculate all the requirements which is required to produce this quantity, this color, this size. If I have stock, available stock, system will automatically put allocation, saying that, hey, warehouse, I am using this fabric, this roll, this button for this production. No one can consume this roll again.
It will be reserved for this order.
It will be allocated. We have two statuses, okay? We have two statuses. Our system manages the purchase orders too. So I can reserve on a purchase order, saying that, this fabric will arrive to the warehouse on this day and my production will start after this day. So I can reserve on this purchase order, okay? Or if it is already in stock, if there is already in stock, I can allocate from stock if the quantity is available. When MRP is run by the material planning team, let's say that I needed 1,000 meters of this fabric. Okay, system automatically went to the warehouse, raw materials warehouse, searched all rows. If I have, even if it is in stock, maybe this fabric has been allocated for a different production order. I cannot use it, correct? So if there is available fabric, system will automatically put the allocation on it. Oh, my requirement was 1,000 meters. I found 300 meters available at stock. I still need 700 meters.
Not come from supplier.
So I need to purchase it. System suggested quantity for the material planning team to purchase. And when she clicks generate purchase orders, system creates new purchase orders for this fabric with the required delivery date according to the cutting date. We have another time and action for purchasing, and these are related to each other.
The date will be changed. Also, the X factory will be allocate another file according to have 700 meters. I have only 300 meters. I can split the order to 2 orders.
Yes.
Cut 300 meters and wait another time for the missing 700 meters.
Okay, if you will have 2 different productions for the same order, since you have 300 meters already in the warehouse, and you can do the production now and wait for the 700 meter to arrive to the company and do another production.
Split order.
Split order. Split production order. Okay. So you can do it, let's say, from here. Logistics. The wording may not be that much good here, but let's say, it is named as logistics, okay? When I click on this, system gives you the permission to split the order. Let's say this one. When did I want to? This order is planned for end of October. But if I see that I have some fabric already available in the warehouse, I can say that, okay, the quantities are very bad, I cannot split, I have only one. Let's say that this was 500. I say that, okay, I will produce 200 to be shipped on this day, and now you will see 2 rows in your screen, okay? Same order number, same line number, but then schedule 2, schedule 3. You can split. Okay.
مش موجوده سبليت الاوردر عمل 300 متر بالنص نص والتاني كان الفكره عامل ايه؟ هو هيبقى نفس الرول بس هتقسم على 2 وعلى 3 يعني 1 2 3 مثلا اول اوردر عملناه خلصناه هياخد كده هاخد ايه؟ 30 بالظبط الثاني هياخد اكستراكتور جديد هيجي اكستراكتور جديد هيعمل ايه؟ هيرص البطه كلها تقسم من الاول للاخر حسب ايه؟ حسب الاي دي الجديد بتاعتنا. انت لو تعمل الظروف ولا تعمل الموضوع وكده الناس انت كده بتعمل شروط جمهوريه بتاعت.
Okay, let's say that, okay, you will produce 1,000. Let's say that you will produce 1,000, and let's say that the production order is for 2 colors, navy and black. And you just have fabric for navy, and you can produce the navy and black can wait. This totally depends on how you want to split. Okay? So, let's say that we split it, and now this.
بيو واحد على واحد سكت. عندنا اوردر واحد بيو واحد على التو. لو مش تاني ممكن تشتغل واحده وتسيب الثانيه حتى لو هو موجود. كل كميه لقيت على اللون اللي قدام. لا حسب المستهدفين. كل اوردر افضل مستهدف الدم بتاعه هم يحطوه. الفكره في هنا اللي بحطه
لو هو ليه دروب بقى يحط دروب.
يحطوا زي ولا يعني يشتغل ورا.
ماشي ما هو دلوقتي هو في المطعم لا ما هو بتاع انت زي الدي اف وهو هيوزعه يعني ولا متوزع ريشيو على السيستم؟ يعني متوزع على الكمبيوتر ريشيو ناقص كمية.
Okay, I think we should continue, and you can discuss internally the cases, the scenarios, how to do, when to do. Now, let's say that this is the same order number. Do you see? Same order. Okay. It is very important that you know how to read these screens. Okay? This is the same production order. Created on the same day by the sales order team, but different line. It can be different styles, it's no problem. And you see, this one is to be shipped on end of October, this one to be shipped at mid-December. So, if you want to split, you see this is your action. You can see which actions are ready for you. You cannot complete your action if a previous task is not completed. With simple logic, if you don't have the fabric, how can you cut it? So it is a mandatory that you have the fabric.
I have the fabric. So the inspection not inspect the fabric. Till now, I will stop.
Yes.
Till finish.
Yes.
And remake it to insist.
Yes. Yes. Hello. If this fabric, let's say, arrived to the company,
Okay.
but
Not added on system or not listed.
When the fabric arrives to the company, it is in stock.
Okay.
But it is not available to use yet because it needs to be inspected. Then it goes to the inspection area. And inspection team does their job, inputs all required information. And when they say that, okay, I received 1,000 meters, but 50 meters of this is unusable. Rejected. This means that even if 1,000 meters arrive to the company, you can use only 950 meters. So inspection team needs to finish their job. Then when they finish their job, this raw material is moved to the raw material warehouse, which means that available to use for production. The raw materials that are at the receiving area, or that are at the inspection area, or that are at the rejected area cannot be used for production. Logic. Okay. Let's say that all are completed, MRP run, fabrics arrived, trims arrived. So this is material planner's responsibility to follow up whether we have the raw materials to start production, correct? So they need to finish their task saying that, hey, fabric in-house completed, trims in-house completed. Then your task becomes available to continue. How will you do? How will you review the roles? I can access to this new screen from many places. Our system has this capability. Let's say that in the morning you came. I'm pretty sure that it is not that automatized, but what I will do, I have thousands of production orders. Am I going for everyone? No. So here, if I search for the next task, roles finalized, I see that, okay, now this production is about to start and I need to finalize the roles. I come here, do you see? Right click on the role, lines, did I not click on? Okay, I access to this screen, which is actually, let's load with Donya's user. My laptop is a Apple One Mac, and I cannot connect to the screen. This is why I am using Donya's, and since this is Windows, as if I am using a laptop for the very first time.
يا جماعه هناك اصلا من
Do you see? I had just a second, just a logo. I am pretty sure that you will ask me the question, how will I know what if? So, do you see, when I loaded my home page of new thread, this means that a person or a team send me an email, but not email from system, saying that, hey Sameh, I see that I have 300 meters available. I am splitting the order. So proceed with it. Honey, be aware. Okay? Communication. Communication within the system. Not via email. A system will send this as an email too, okay? But it will be within the system. And if you see that this ring, this bell here is red, This means that, oh, you have a new information that you need to review. Here, see, these are in red. This means that you didn't review. When I review, when Donya reviews this information, when I come this, see, this is not red now. This means that I read it. Oh, I was not aware. Nobody told me.
It can automatically think from system.
Yes, and if there is a change to something, this should not be via phone. This should not be via email. This should be via system. Okay? Now, if you need to ask something to the related team, you see which team is related. If it is Altın Yıldız, then you just selected Altın Yıldız planning. System will send this thread to all Altın Yıldız planning team members. Could I express? Okay. Now, this is Donya's screen. This can be anyone's screen. Where is PO search? Here.
Then just a clarification about the bill. When I see the bill, the rate, this is means, as you say, we have a new information update. In case of this information related to phone data, like update consumption, like update item color, item size, like that. This will be affected directly on order that are already start production or order that not start production. This may be make for me or my team confusing because I start production, the order is moved, release the material, release the size that the bomb builder make update on it. You know?
I know. This is why I say that. Just a second.
يعني يا جماعة
Why can I not close it? Okay. This is why I say that next task is important. Let's say that customer wanted a change at the variant quantity, correct? But you had already started production. So this quantity cannot be changed. This is customer's problem. And sales team they have the access to the screen. This data is everybody's data. They will just search for the related order, see that even without asking you, okay? Oh, dear BNB, dear Brooks, we cannot change. It is already in production. Or if MRP had not even run yet, they can do the change and everything will be reflected on the system.
Before make any change, he will see the status for the order. Yeah.
And we'll lock the bombs. Let's say that customer wants to change the button. Did I order it?
We can make it, but in next order in the future.
Okay. If I had not ordered this button yet, maybe I can change it. Then see it in the system. And without asking to you, to it, it is in the system. Answer the customer accordingly. And the company management's target is to avoid so many changes at bombs. This is why bomb team is validating bomb before MRP and lock it. If they want to change something in the bomb, this needs to be unlocked by either Ramon or by Amr to let them do this change. And material planning team does not have the authority to stand alone create purchase order. Okay? Oh, my customer wants to change this button. Now I'm booking a new button, and then I will move the old button to customer liability and wait it there. Stock is increasing and increasing and increasing. Unmanageable, okay? So this is why I say that all previous activities must be completed before you start your job. So in the morning, I came to the company. What is now, what will I work today? Which production to work with? If it is rows finalized task, okay, I just search within these 1000 orders. Rows, okay, this production. Because fabrics and trims are already arrived to the company, this production can start. Okay, PO lines, and I can access it via PO search. It is actually everybody in the company can have does have very powerful tools. For example, Shaima can search with the purchase orders, or I can search with the purchase orders or the production orders. So this training will be given you in separate, okay? Now, let's say that I search for back to back, meaning exact copy of the phase order production, and run query. It will load. All this, come on, all this 1000 rows is also here. See, many pages. But if you access it from fast PO management and right click, it will load directly the related row for you. And you see these actions? When I click on this, I see this MRP requirement. Do I want to see the production SKUs? Which color, which size? I can directly load it from here. Review. But I cannot update. Okay. See, I cannot change the date. I cannot, even if it seems that I am able to type, I cannot save this change. Or you can review, okay. I should not have closed it, sorry. There is this. Sure. See, now it increased, and now it will be loaded. Okay, I see that there is an issue here. I noted. This is not good. Okay, I understand. We loaded the matrix.
Matrix is matrix.
No, if I had the authority to update the matrix, then while closing it, first PO would display the updated quantity. So it is taking time because at the moment I had not searched with this limited data. Yes. So here, what was my order? You do. I cannot.
هنا بس فاهم كمل تريننج ده تريننج بس اوكي بس بعدين ممكن
It's training.
كنت بس اسمها ويب سايت التليفون دي في الاخر اهو استاذنك كله اشتغل على نفس
Okay. Okay, now it is only for 2 lines. Now, and my this one is at the rows finalized. Now I am loading. Just a second. I need to save this. Each team member can have his or her own view. You don't need to see all these columns. They can be okay. And here reallocate the rows MRP requirement screen. This is the screen that covers, displays every bit information for this production per product variant. Okay? See, this loaded my production has 2 colors, correct? Navy and black. This screen displays, so I couldn't express, sorry. This screen is per color of the star. Because you may use, let's say, white button for the navy color of the star, but black button for the black color of the star. So color matching, size matching. So this MRP requirements screen loads per color of the style, and then you see the sizes of the style, and each bit requirement to use it production is listed here.
كان الدومين او كان في برضه نفس نوع فين الفرق بين الزرع والكيبورد يعني
بي او واحد تحت منه اثنين طبق في فرق 1 بي او included 2 or 3 colors.
So, okay, these are details. Do you see all allocated, 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 all allocated, unallocated? See, this fabric is not allocated. if we come here, do you see the allocated quantity column? This means that, okay, this is available, this is available, this is available, this is available. Oh, this is not available. I have purchase order.
ندير بالآخر مش كده؟ فين السيريال نمبر بتاع الرول ده؟
I have
اللي هو اللي قبل الأخير. هو بياخد رقم البيرشيز اوردر اللي شاريه عليه سلاش بقى ده الرول رقم 1 2 3 4
بالتالي
يسرير عليه.
so
بس زينب جاست سكند، هو انتوا مش عايزين تشوفوا الشيد ولا يعني احنا اصلا عاملين دي عشان تعملوا تحجيز تاني عشان الشيد، عشان السيستم بيحجز كام
محتاجين شيء
هو الشيد والشيد هو عارف انه ما ينفعش.
رول ويتس available
Hmm?
رول ويتس فابريك رول شيد.
now I loaded the screen. For the production, I see that I cannot start this production because this is unallocated, correct? So assume that everything is allocated. So I have all required materials to start production. What will I do? This is not the new screen. This is our standard screen. First of all, I need to select the fabric, correct?
Okay. I need to select the fabric that allocate.
Yes. So I select this fabric and click on this row allocation. Now it is running. This fabric has for about 300 rolls in the warehouse. So it is rendering all the warehouse. Oh, it loaded. See?
It will not present only the roles for this purchase order that observed
Because they need to change the roles.
Okay, they will change the roles according to this purchase order. The roles that already received on this purchase order that which already reserved on this production order.
Now the requirement is that, okay, I reserved it for this production order and it is now in stock, but I may have a different or free role. Maybe I sundry it, or maybe I need to change. Okay, so this has been analyzed with the team and Zvika previously. We discussed it a lot. Now you see all the details of all the roles within the system, within your warehouse. I just cannot, sorry, do you see, I can make it larger. Just like Excel, I can, for example, net.
دي الحاجات اللي انت صرفتها.
Fade one, cuttable width, shrinkage, everything, every bit that inspection team
will be fill the shrinkage and shape. Yeah.
here, they are all. And supply roll number.
الانسبكشن يخلص.
The data must be completed. Then they will start.
Yes, shrinkage X, shrinkage Y. If they had inputted, they would be here. Okay? And this is a very crowded screen, by the way, as the allocation, as the scheduling team. Do you really need to see every bit information here? Or, for example, you need to see the cuttable width only, not the standard width.
We need to cut off this because we allocated the roles according to this weight.
Okay, so if you say that when you start to practice on the system, this is test portal. When you start to practice on the system, as a team, you may say that, Zeynep, I don't need to see, for example, this grocery column here. I don't need it. Let me know which columns to remove from here, okay? So you can have a simple, only the information that you need, okay? And
From us the useful columns that we needed actually
To delete the useless.
okay,
to make a hidden or delete or
okay, you just let us know which columns to see, okay?
start the train will highlight which we needed and which we
Okay. So inspection team will input all information here, okay, not here, but you will see only the ones that you require, okay? So what you can do, let's say that, I want to search just like the Excel. I want to search with the cuttable width because here I see different cuttable width, correct? Contains, let's say I want to use 151. Filter, oh, only these rows. Okay, so
can make filter by sheet.
whatever,
زي السلم.
you can,
فلتر على حاجتين كمان. يعني اللي تحتيه ممكن we can filter for
On everything we can filter by shape, by shrinking,
okay,
by
let's say,
weight.
كله.
let's say that I want to shade, this is, see, I'm at the cuttable width. I want to search the 152 width filter, okay, and here I have shade,
Shade. I need one shade only. Full shade.
okay, one only filter. See, I don't see the two one now.
Yes.
But again, this is the standard functionality.
also I can filter on shade number 1 and number 2
Okay.
سكرين ابيكس ده تحت في الفلتر ده فتحان
See,
كان واحد
and
دي كان اثنين and وعايز فتح حاجه ثانيه معاهم
okay, if you want to see both 1 and 2, you need to select or 1 or 2.
1 and 2 and 2 is
A row cannot be both. Okay, and means both. Okay, so
مثلا الستاندرد اللي هو كله ظهر.
so if I select and here and contains 2, filter none.
none. This is
But-
my question. This is my question.
Okay, can a row,
1 comma 2 مش اللي تحت
so you need to select or, because a row can be either 1 or 2. So you need to select or for this, okay? Just practice on the screen. So I want to clear, shade, clear. Now, all these rows which are at stop is with me. Let's read the screen together, okay? This is my production order number 209191. Line 2, split 1, schedule 1.
Yeah.
If you had splitted this to 2 productions, this would be 1 or 2. So, which rows that I am going to use for which fabric? This is the fabric or lining or whatever I had selected. Okay, what is the allocated quantity for this fabric, this production? This means that for this production, I have almost 3,000 meters allocated with decimals. But I want to replace. So this means that I need to be sure that I reallocated the same quantity here. So balance must be 0 so that you can save, correct?
Yes.
System will stop you saving incorrect. If you have balance here, you are not able to save. Correct? Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Okay. How am I going to use? You see, I have this roll number. Where is it? This roll number. But this roll number is already allocated to another production order. Okay? At the moment, since we don't have real data, and I allocated only these orders, you see only one order, okay? But maybe this row has been allocated to another production order. So what you can do, if you need to use this one, just a second, stop allocated quantity, location,
انا نسيتك فيه.
it's truncating the screen. It's the Windows, or just a second. Here it is. No, I mean, since screen is limited and so many columns here, it is very important to let me know which columns you want to see here, okay? Okay. I will remove it.
وينفع ينزل upwards we can hide it.
No, you cannot hide. I need to hide.
عندك اي حاجه قولها من الاول مش هنستنى بعدين.
ماشي.
عايزين نشيل حاجه نشيلها دلوقتي نشيل بعدين.
Can you export all to Excel and hide? If you want to hide and
we can export this screen to Excel.
No.
Really?
Why do you want to export? Everything is here. Why do you want to export?
على الاكسل عشان اخدها بعروضها اجمعها واعمل ويب للماركه. مش هشتغلها بيه.
وانت اللي هتعمله الوكيت اللي هظهر لك في الويندو فوق. انت شايف
عشان الكميات انا مثلا عامل 5 رولات عرض 150 واثنين عرض 144 انا هجيب كام عرض عايزين نسحبها اكسلايه عشان اعمل ايه؟ انا هشتغل عليها هبعت الماركر اجمع عروض عشان انا دول في ماركر واحد دول في ماركر واحد. هتعمل ايه؟ عايز اسحبها اكسل.
They needed to export as Excel to send it to another team, the markers. They will collect the roles that they allocate and send to markers.
Why?
Can submit it every width totally total for every width you can send it to mark to work in it, I have 3 widths. I need to allocate every width on Excel to send it to Mark to work in it.
Okay, just a second. Let's do not focus on this at the moment, okay? I hear you. I hear you. We will try a quick way for you, okay?
Click until to be export to bottom left.
Okay, so there can be an SSRS report for this, something like that. Okay? Okay. At the moment, on the screen, you cannot export, but we will provide you a solution. Now, okay, now, let's assume that you see that this row, you want to use this row, okay? This row. But it is allocated for another production. You just say that, okay, I want to use 30 meters of this for this production. And I want to use this row fully. Okay? Do you see? As soon as I type, system calculates how much meters I selected up to now, what is the balance, what is the original allocated quantity. So, if the balance is 0, you can then confirm. At the moment, you cannot confirm, correct?
Okay.
But you can say, okay, no problem. But you cannot confirm. Okay, let's say that you selected all rows that you need, unless the order progress is not in production. When I click save, and confirm, I had prepared a different
الدنيا اللي انا فاهمه منها، هل ان الحته دي انا لازم احجز كل القماش، لازم احجز كل القماش المتاح كده، ولو في اي بالانسات مش هعرف اكونفيرم مثلا ولا
اصلا هو متحجز، انت بتشيل التحجيز من حاجات متحجزه،
هو محتاج على رقم بيقول هو ماشي موجود،
وبيجيب لك كل هو هنا بيجيب كل الرولات اللي على السيستم. المفروض ان احنا دلوقتي بنطلع البيرشيز اوردر معمول له لينك مع البرودكشن اوردر، يعني انا ما ينفعش احجز على الرولات غير اللي جايه للبيرشيز اوردر ده والبرودكشن اوردر ده. هي قالت لي لا، هو بيجيب كل الرولات اللي على السيستم، عشان ممكن يبقى في رول جاي للبرودكشن اوردر تاني وانا اللي هي بتعمله دلوقتي هو اوريدي محجز وانا باخد البرودكشن اوردر تاني. انا ما اعرفش انت بالنسبه لكم ده صح ولا غلط، هي بتقولي ان ده اللي كان الاتفاق. الرول القديم هتاخده، ولو متحجز على برودكشن اوردر انت ممكن تاخده.
انا مثلا مش محتاج ولا حاجه نشيله.
لا، هو متحجز على برودكشن اوردر فانت طبيعي محتاج.
هو
متحجز.
انا بعمل برودكشن اوردر كويس
ماشي،
وفي رول من نفس الايتم بس متحجز على برودكشن اوردر تاني، لو انا محتاجه ينفع، مش محتاجه مش هروح ناحيته، هو كده كده متحجز على واحد تاني.
بس لو خدته
هيجيبولي من الوقت القديم.
ايوه،
ولا انت انا اروح اكتب الفورمه القديمه وبعدين
هي كده هنا اهي لما كتبت تو الوكيت، هو كل ده الوكيت اهو، هي كتبت هنا تو الوكيت فهو شال التحجيز من على التاني. فانا ده تمام
كده ولا
هي مفهوم.
هي مفهومه ست تمام، ده طبيعي. انا جيت اتكلم قالت لي ده الاتفاق.
حاجات معينه في الكتاب انا عايز احطها كجاكيت او ده انا ساعتها هعملها ازاي؟
انت لو جبتها على الرقم بعد ما تجيبها على الرقم من الحديث وانت بقى
تقسم هي البحث اللي بقى البحث كاتب نتيجه البحث بتاعته وانت مقسم. هو اللي انا فاهماه ان احنا عاملين ده عشان السيستم البحث كتب النتيجه بتاعته محجز، والسيستم بيحجز اوتوماتيك، هو ممكن يحجز لك من شيت اصلا انت ما ينفعش تاخده.
So if I understand what they ask, so what is the business? What are you discussing at the moment? What are we discussing at the moment?
We're talking about the reservation the roles. Okay. The system already allocated the roles on this production, but I need to take role as you make it now. Take this role to another production. For this role already reserved for another production. Okay. What we're talking about it, we discuss the roles already allocated, but I have give direction for this role in my process in the schedule. This role will be for jacket, this will be for the trouser, this will be for the vest.
Okay.
According to the shade, the role numbers. How to make it? Islam talking about this system automatically reserved the role on this production.
Okay, first of all,
I have one PO, but this PO, under this PO, I have jacket, trouser, vest.
Again, we come to sitting together and understanding the structure of this end-to-end system. Yes, customer is sending you one sales order saying that I want this suit. And this suit is for jacket, trouser, vest, or sometimes jacket and trouser only.
Yeah.
Correct? So these needs to be produced at different lines. Correct? So when material planning team, this is why we have sales order and production order. Material planning team will run the MRP first for suit. System will create 3 production orders, 1 for jacket, 1 for vest, 1 for trouser. So when you come here, you will say that, okay, this production is for this jacket. So you will select the roles only for the jacket. They may be, okay, jacket and trouser. Of course, since you are going to ship it as a suit, I mean jacket and trouser at the same time, of course, these two needs to be produced at the same time, correct? But at different lines. You will see 2 rows. 2 rows at the first PO management, and 1 row will be for jacket production, 1 row will be for trouser production of the suit.
One can split the one roll for jacket and trouser?
Yes, this is why you input quantity. You can say that just like this, just like this. Here, I want to use the total quantity. Can you look at on the screen? This quantity is the roll quantity, okay? I say that I will use this roll fully, putting the exact quantity of this roll. But from this one, I am using only 13 meters. So when the balance here is 0, and when I hit confirm, system will change all allocations. Could I express myself?
Zainab, just one question. System will load here only the roles that received on this purchase for a specific purchase order?
No.
Okay.
I cannot access to the others because I
But it
know
will
that
it present
it will, of course. Okay,
even if I purchase this order for another production.
yes. I need to check this. Why is it is showing only one production order here? Okay,
يا جماعة اكتبوا
it will list all the production orders. Let's say that.
الحاجة اللي هتظهر معاكم
Okay,
انتوا هتجربوا.
let's say
الحاجة
that.
اللي هتظهر معاكم هنرجع التيم عندنا ونقول لهم في 1 2 3 4. I told the team to record all the notes after we start the trial. We'll back to you and our team. We see problem here. This is okay. This is not okay. We need to delete this. This is not useful for us. This is very important for us. I like that.
Perfect. So there may be valid information, valid reason why it is only one production order at the moment. I need to check data, okay? But the point is that if there are 300 rows at raw materials, even if they are allocated to different production orders, you will see all. And you can use whatever role you want, unless order progress is in production. Okay? Because this means that I already sent it to the line. For the in production, after confirming, for the in production rows, you will not be able to type anything to here, okay? This was what we had discussed and confirmed with Zrika.
Every production will take a number, a serial.
This one, this is the production number.
In case I have in this minute of two production, we have two number, two serial for the production. I will see the two production or only one. Only one.
You are working for only one production on the
Okay.
screen. But you will see all allocated roles, even if they are allocated for different productions. So you can say that, okay, system automatically allocated this role for a different production, but I will pull this role and use this one. Yes. And once the balance is zero, when the balance is zero and when you confirm, system now will change all allocations.
Another question. If I want, I will not take whole the quantity fabric receipt on the production according to saving consumption like that. I received 3,000 meter. I make saving in the consumption with the marker area. I need only 2,800. I still have balance 200. I cannot confirm because I have balance 200 meter. You understand me?
Oh, okay. This is the MRP requirement. Let's say that during the MRP system calculated consumption. Okay. Let's write it down.
MRP changed, huh? Because markup makes saving of consumption.
This is the subject that we had discussed 2 or 3 days ago. Please come together, sit on the same table, discuss this, all scenarios to the related teams, okay? What you ask me is a business scenario. Okay, this business scenario needs to be managed in the system, but actually this scenario has been discussed with the other team and solution is in the system. Let's say initial run. My requirement has been calculated as, just like you said, 3,000 meters. Correct? No change. It's the sales order quantity. Or no change at bomb. Consumption is same. But marker did a perfect job. And at the end of the day, I see that I will be.
Why I ask you this question? Because if the balance is zero and the raw material moving to cutting area, and actually the cutting order will take 2,800, I will have leftover inside the cutting area
We have
400.
answered. I know.
So I need control from beginning to keep with the 200 in the warehouse and not moving to cutting area.
Or return back to cutting area to.
I think the next step with the right keep from beginning.
Without
the
the
warehouse.
Okay, you are asking me something you see here.
Yeah.
This is what you need to know as a scheduling team. And you are 100% right to ask. But what you say is actually like this. There are many if. You have 3,000 meters you have purchased or allocated at the initial run. Why do I count this 200 meters now not required? Why?
Because I have saving in the consumption. This is the reason.
Why did you say in the consumption? Because of the shrinkage or something like that, which means that you will save from all production, or which means that marker did something great for this production only.
We can say only for this production, only for this product. Not all. I will have like this issue in another order can make I purchase 3,000 meter, but our need after finish marker I need 3,100. So I have balance minus 100 meter. Maybe
Okay. The answer is allocation. If the requirement changes with whatever reason is, MRP should be run again. Okay? If the consumption changed as a result of marker did a great job for this style only, fabric is let's say that I use the same fabric at 5 different styles, just like you said. For this production, my requirements decrease. Okay? But for the other production, same fabric,
maybe like full consumption.
yes. For the other style, fabric is same, but consumption, what I require, needs to be increased. Correct? So, if this consumption decrease is for fabric, shrinkage, usable widths, blah, 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 then I can change the consumption at bomb.
This is only for me at the scale.
No, bomb team can.
Bounty. This is should I think this should be open for the scheduling to make full control on material that were released to the production.
This requires business decision. It is not something that we can decide together. This is a company decision. Okay? I don't know. This is a business. From day one. Okay, from day one, bombs cannot be touched by another person. From day one, this is the rule.
Okay.
Okay, so this is not my something that I have. So whatever. We have discussed cases, consumption increase or decrease for a specific production or for the fabric. So material planning team knows at which scenario how to action. If the consumption is the result decrease, if it is the result of the fabric, which means that this consumption will increase or decrease for all production, correct? Because there is an issue maybe in the fabric. So even if the consumption has been calculated as 0.85 for each garment, as the result of many specialties of the fabric, you discover that you will consume 0.95. This means that the consumption will increase, your requirement will increase for all productions, all styles which uses this fabric. This. So, what needs to be done? First of all, material planning team and BOM team must be aware of this. Hey, this fabric consumes more than we had foreseen. Okay, then search all the garments which uses this fabric and update the usage required for one style in the BOM and rerun the demand for all the styles which will use this fabric. Or fabric is just like we expected, okay? Actually, the consumption is 0.85. But marker did a perfect job. Pattern, optimize. And I see that, okay, my real consumption per each, or the total one, will be 0.80. And then, oh, I can say 200 liters. Perfect. What will happen? You need to inform the material planning team saying that I can save extra 200 liters. Then they will ask to the customer, shall I produce more? Because I can produce extra 15.
You already make it manually by
Manually, okay, but if you are able to produce 50 extra garments, then material planning team will create a new production order for this 50. Yes. And you can do production for both. Yes? Another meeting.
What about it?
So these are all different scenarios.
Okay, I will discuss in the semester at least about these points, but I will wait till start moving on the trail link, and we'll record all our notes, and we'll discuss with Mr. Elise and Wael, and we'll back to Engineer Victor. Then we'll communicate with you.
Yes, of course. But please be aware that for business cases, just like this, call to action. Come together with the related teams, discuss with the related team. Don't discuss this with him or me because we are not the decision makers, okay?
الأهداف اللي انتوا بتتفقوا عليها.
Okay.
So this is our thing. What you ask must be discussed with Ramon and Om, actually with Wire. Well, because both BOM and material planning teams are his teams to manage them. So, is it going to be updated at BOM?
I will settle it while I finish working.
Well, and sales. Well, I mean, managers and maybe Mr. Idris, I don't know.
Will not back to Idris after finish everything before in the beginning. After that, we back to inform him. We agree with well about this, and this is
Okay, and then your decisions, maybe because teams are really practiced on the system, material planning team, bomb team, they know how to use the system. Maybe you will find the solution asking to me because system already provides the solution. How to action. If you cannot find, okay, we will sit together and think together.
السيستم اصلا كستمايز على هنا على الاس سي بتاعتك كده فهيتعمل اي حاجه بس الاول بزنس ايشو
For example, you say that I need to update the consumption. Day one, no one touches the bomb except bomb team. So how can I decide?
You're right. Between us together.
يا جماعه ما تكتبش اسمه يا جماعه
If we need to do changes, we will.
كله تراي
We will.
كله
But
Is that what the
or maybe something cannot be done, and we will say that okay, we cannot do this. Please find a way to go ahead with this. For example, this roles reallocation was not in the system. We developed it for you.
ترجع ناخد الدليل ده
وريمون بس
Saying that no, you cannot touch my bone. I know guys here.
عادي جدا مثلا يعني